know this event is going to be a success. This is your chance to be a part of history. Whether you're a travel agency, an airline, a resort owner, or simply a passionate explorer.
At the DOT, we make sure that our programs, projects, and activities are all directed and implemented with these values in mind. The strategic value and sustainability emphasizes the importance of continuing to balance environmental impacts and economic development. So, this is how we work at the Department of Tourism.
A time for reflection and giving. Join us for the next PTAA Foundation event in May. Don't just donate, become a volunteer. Be part of something bigger than yourself and discover the joy of giving back.